Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a ticket on Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you can't get a refund on your ticket from Ticketmaster. How do you actually go ahead and sell your ticket? So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're going to go ahead and click on your Ticketmaster icon over here, and then go ahead and log in. And then from here, you're going to see a series of buttons, okay? So these series of buttons are Discover, For You, My Events, Sell, My Account. Go ahead and click on My Events, and then here you're going to see all your upcoming events. So go ahead and click on the upcoming event, and then from here, you're going to see multiple button options. So you have a view ticket, transfer ticket, and a sell ticket. Go ahead and click on sell, and then from here you're just going to follow a series of prompts in order to actually sell your ticket on Ticketmaster. So that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sell your ticket on Ticketmaster. You are going to need to authenticate your account in case you need to sell your ticket, but if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.